we're gonna do some river fishing today. I decided to upload a raw, condensed version of a pretty solid float we did in the Ozark streams here over in Missouri. And this is about 11 miles of river we floated. A lot of cool smallmouth catches. I'm gonna condense it down. For the most part, it's gonna be raw, but I do some commentary throughout the video, so hopefully you guys enjoy seeing how I approach this Ozark River.
Doesn't tell it to do, or you tell it to do.
Yeah,
you know,
true.
I mean, you have to decide the difference between the two.
You know, we did. There we go.
Yeah, nice.
Oh, that's a nice one. That's a pretty decent smallie. Oh,
nice.
That is a nice one. Little chubber. He's been on the bottom though. You know how I know? He's got mud on his belly.
Does he? Look at his mouth. Is there any red?
No. Well, he's got some red like on the top.
Anything in his gullet?
No, I don't see it. I mean, he's... I would say this is a male. I would agree with you.
Yeah, 100% it's male. I can tell just by looking at it.
Wow. You ruined my release video, bud.
Nice.
All
Where did he
right.
come off of?
That log on the flat side, just like your boy, sorta. Yeah, I think what he was mostly saying was that, oh man, oh my gosh.
What was that?
That's a big, I think it's a spot. She's still there. She's not scared. Man, that was a big one too. She's eating those minnows.
And they had the craziest look on their face. There you go.
Oh, a little smallie. All right, dude, we get it.
This hole holds it. I can't believe I didn't catch it.
There you go. Dang, I should have held mine just a second.
Oh, dude. Look at that rock bass.
Holy moly, man.
I just said I can't believe you haven't caught a rock bass yet, and wham.
It's because you keep stealing them from me.
Look at that thing, dude.
That's a unit.
You have to realize that, that's a decent fish.
Huh.
That's a good one, bro.
Maybe.
Assist?
Sure.
Primo. Nope, he's gonna fall short.
Oh my god.
You hit it good, though.
That's not a bad little guy. Yeah.
Look at him.
Little cutie.
Here, I'll just let you do that.
Oh, he's gone.
No way.
That's fine. I mean, it was...
If you got that on camera, it's going to be awesome.
He stole my fish. Man, he put up a fight for the little dude.
Yeah, so you always fish all the way back in.
Oh yeah, there's a lot. It's deep enough that won't matter. I got a new idea. Yeah, I mean, if they're gonna swipe it, might as well get my money's worth.
A fish just cracked top. I don't know what it was.
80-pound carp. There we go. Oh, that's a good one. At least he feels pretty good. What is it? Oh, that's a smallie. Oh man, that's a fatty. You think that's who was busting? Oh, 13-inch smallie. Yeah.
315s on it. You know what I mean? It's either like you do numbers on 10 to 12 inchers, or you get out here and catch 3 decent ones. There you go. That was a head shake on that, wasn't it?
Yeah. Ooh, she's barely hooked.
Nice.
That's a nice one too.
I'm glad to see you catch a few before the day went out.
Woo! She's mad. There we go. Red-eyed smallie. I like the red-eyed ones.
I mean, their eyes can just change color.
It's crazy.
You know what I mean? They can change it back and forth with water clarity and stuff.
Whoa! Was that him?
Yeah, that was awesome.
He went under the boat.
Yeah, they do that from time to time. I could have almost told you were going to catch fish here.
I've actually done pretty well today. Numbers-wise, smallmouth.
Yeah.
I've got 5 keepers. Like, if I was in a tournament, I'd have 5. So, I'd say that it'd be a small limit, but it'd be better than nothing. So that kind of wraps up the bulk of the good catches. I think our best 5 probably were in like the 70 to like maybe 74-inch range if we were actually adding up best 5. So it was a decent day. It was a pretty small limit type day, but we're still kind of fighting that early river spring mentality where these fish still are kind of in transition. Most of the damage was done on the Megabass Sonic side flat side crankbait. I did catch 2 really good ones there at one point where we caught 2 back to back. That was on the hybrid hustler jig with just like a little Kayak on the back. Kind of just looks like a minnow down on the bottom. Pretty cool little presentation. But overall was a really fun trip. Learned a lot on this trip on how some of these rivers fish after a cold front, because this water has been kind of going back between, you know, the low 50s to mid 50s. So overall, pretty fun day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed some of the catches, and I will see you guys next time.